Good morning everybody, it's Rachel here. Happy World Mental Health Day. It's a beautiful autumn day. I was hoping to come to you from the woods, but it's very windy today, so I've taken a bit of shelter. You might be able to hear the wind in the background. Hope you're really well. As you know, it's World Mental Health Day today, and the theme is mental health in an unequal world. So I thought it might be helpful to have a little think about some of the ways in which we can empower ourselves and work together to try and bridge that inequality and to really empower ourselves and improve our health and well-being and improve life for ourselves and those around us. So as we all know, we've been through a very challenging few months. We've been in a global pandemic and we are still not really out of the woods, as it were. So some of the things that I've been thinking about are how can we work together to really empower ourselves. We know that over the last few months, inequalities and unjust systems have really come to the forefront, whether that's access to healthcare, access to provision and facilities, right across the world, right across the globe. So in the new season that we're in now of autumn, what can I be doing to empower myself and find a way forward in this new season? So I think for me there's something around communicating clearly, and as we get busier and new opportunities emerge, I know I'm being asked to be involved in all kinds of new ventures and projects, which is really exciting. So I'm having to think a little bit about what is for me to do at this time and what is not. So what do I embrace and welcome and what do I leave to the side? And part of that is communicating really clearly about expectations and boundaries and trying to keep a really good balance in all our activities. And also for me, looking at how to make that sustainable, and I think a lot of that is about being empowered and working in a fair way, sharing resources. It was great to see during lockdown so much mutual aid organisations and movements and networks that sprung up, and a lot of reciprocal giving and receiving, and I think for me that's really helpful in terms of being sustainable to safeguard my mental health and well-being. It's not about giving and giving and giving until you burn out, but it's about sharing and it's about giving and receiving and blessing each other and being blessed. We are in this autumn season now where we are gathering in the harvest, so gathering in what we need for the winter ahead. And then we live in seasons, don't we, where we plant and we harvest, we reap and we sow. And it's been such a pressurised few months that, having a sense of balance, of boundaries, of sharing, of communicating clearly, of working together and being sustainable for the journey of life, I think is something that I'm going to be thinking about over this season. And as always, we need to be kind to ourselves, we need to be kind to each other. Let's keep caring for ourselves, caring for each other, and moving forward into this new season. And I hope you have a really happy and healthy and joyful World Mental Health Day. See you soon.